going to be the epic photo opportunity with the IFA trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, IFA 2024, bigger, grander, it's gonna be a blockbuster. Rana, Karan, Shahrukh, Siddhant, and Abhishek doing the honors.
Thank you to all the friends and colleagues who are present here, all the partners, Shobha, Nexa, Mysore, Ease My Trip, Venky's, and ZTV, of course. And Rana, good evening. Lovely to see you here. Abhishek, so wonderful to see you live after seeing your wonderful film. I've been wanting to call you. And Siddhant, तुम दोनों को सिखा दूं. Next generation अपने पाँव पड़ती है, पुरानी वाली इज्जत भी देती है, तो ऐसे करती है. But I want to thank Sabbas and Viraf and Andre, my very, very, I don't know if I should say old friends, but young old friends. And I'm so privileged to be hosting this show with Vicky and Karan and all the other amazing talent, some of them not present here this evening. And of course, to see the great performances that will follow. This Shahid, Vicky is going to perform, Janvi, Kriti, and of course, the most wonderful and the star of them all, Rekha ji will also be there. So for me, it's a great evening, it's a great honor, great privilege. Thank you for having me on IFA. Thank you so much, everyone. इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हो, बुलाया तो एक ही बार था पहले. शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है. एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं. ऐसी तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, ऐसे लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ पे. But it's really nice to be here. Thank you, IFA, for having me. No, I'm joking. अब क्लैरिफाई करना पड़ता ना कि जोक कर रहे हैं, सीरियसली नहीं बोल रहे हैं. I would have loved to always come, but unfortunately, for some reason or the other, I was working at the point of time when IFA is being hosted all around the world, which makes us very, very proud. And more often than not, I've always had to beg myself off saying, listen, मेरी shooting है, आप कहाँ पे, टोरंटो में हो, वैंकूवर में हो, मलेशिया में हो, यहाँ कर लो ना, यहाँ बोरीवली में कर लो, फिल्म सिटी में कर लो, जैसे बाकी लोग करते हैं यार. But the vision is big. IFA has always thought of taking Indian cinema, and now with the inclusion of Malayalam and Kannada and Tamil, Telugu and Hindi cinema, I think, mashallah, this is even more Indian than it has ever been before. So, keeping up with your vision, I am thankful now, after so many years, trying to come back. I hope we can present well, keep people entertained, and keep it very short.
Yes.
And crisp.
And know when to
and
leave.
fast, yeah. And please come for the rehearsals, Karan.
No. I've left that to you. I know this is a chat we should have in private, but please, can you take care of that?
Okay. So Karan has told me he's not going to rehearse for hosting. He'll do it on Zoom. भाई मैं Zoom पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ी जल्दी करता हूँ. मैं तो इतना hosting करता हूँ ना. अभी ये बोल रहे थे ना ये सिद्धांत की, मैं तो ये क्या है, मैं चैट शो भी होस्ट करता है, फिल्म शो भी होस्ट करता है, ये बोलता है पिक्चरें भी तो बना मेरे भाई, तू कितना होस्ट करेगा.
यही मैं वही सोच रहा था जब सिद्धांत बोल रहा था, तो I was like, this is sounding wrong on all levels for a filmmaker. कि I should be making more movies. That is exactly what I should be doing. But
इसलिए तो रिहर्सल Zoom पे कर ले, बाकी पिक्चर शूट
आप संभाल लो. मैं स्पॉन्सर्स के नेम ले लूंगा.
Thank you.
हाँ, please, I'll do that.
और हम कनन को बीच में नहीं आने देंगे, वो स्पॉन्सर्स को चुप करा देता है before they finish. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
wraps. You're trying to keep it under wraps. Now we're official. Now we're actually on stage. We're actually in IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just, the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries. Not just as an actor, but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here. The first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And Aifa, thank you for putting all us together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam? Yes. Thank you. So I think that'll be
it's a deliverable.
It's a deliverable? Oh.
Yeah.
शोभा रियल्टी। दोस्तों, ये सब सेलिब्रेटरी मोमेंट से हमारे लोगों का हौसला अफजाई करिए। और मैं अब चाहूंगा शाहरुख और करण फेलिसिटेट करें हमारे।
So, prevention, precaution, discovery, early discovery is what they're campaigning for, so that is preferred compared to cure.
To please come up on stage. Thank you so much, sir, for being a formidable part of IFA. Puneet Gupta invitations to please come up on stage. Thank you, Puneet, sir. Now it's time to honor and felicitate beautiful country, a beautiful city. Thank you for always having the warmth and affection and being so hospitable to IFA. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite spectacular journey of Indian cinema like never before. I would like to thank Rajasthan Patrika Group, Red FM, PVR Inox, Bright Outdoor Media Partner Solution, ABP News, Art Media Ads Private Limited, ITV Network, India News, NewsX, Ronak Advertising, Z Media, IDPL, Namrata Advertising, Kushi Ambient Media Limited, Nav Bharat, OMN, Elevate Media. This is me, Siddharth Kanan, saying, see you in Abu Dhabi. Thank you, Shahrukh. Thank you, Rana. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Siddhant. Thank you, Abhishek. And ladies and gentlemen,